right behind me we have the Samsung Galaxy Experience Store. This is going to be my first time and Katie's first time going to an Experience Store. We're right now in the Cerritos Mall in California. And yo, I've been here multiple times and I don't think I've ever seen this store before. But apparently it released, well, the store opened, I should say, at the end of 2025. And I haven't been here since probably before the end of 2025. So that might make sense why I've never seen this store. But at first glance, what do you think about this store? Like, just dude, big ass, like, you know, this mall also has an Apple store. It would have been pretty cool if this store was right in front of the Apple store. You know, like Samsung. Why aren't we doing that? But anyways, this is gonna be my and Katie's, our camera woman. Say hi.
Hi!
But it's gonna be our first experience at the Samsung Experience Store. But without further ado, let's just hop right in.
The what?
Look, they have it on display.
Oh, the trifold? Wow. Like, show yours.
You know, we already got it, yo. We already got it.
Yeah, we don't need that one, bro.
Alright guys, let's check out each table. First, we got this table right here. We got some phones here. We got the Z Fold 7. We got a few Z Fold 7s. Yo, they got the Watch Ultra. The Z Fold 7. These are all like live units too, which is pretty cool. And then if we look down here, wow, they got a bunch of cases. I've never seen that light blue case before. Maybe they have like some exclusive cases here. That's kind of cool. Oh, we have this, and then here we got the flips, we got the buds, we got a few different Z flips, and I think we have like the different colors and stuff. That's actually really neat. Ooh, they have the online exclusive. That's the mint color, but they have the online exclusive colors here. Isn't that cool? Got a few more Samsung shenanigans here. We got the buds here too. That's actually kind of cool. That's actually pretty cool. I don't know if I want to put that in my ear, but that's cool. Then here we got all the tablets. This is actually crazy. And then we have more tablets over here. I think we got the flagships on this side. Yep. And there's mine, the Tab S11 Ultra. These are all live units, which is really cool. But if we go over here, we also have laptops, which is really cool. Because we have the Galaxy Books here. So we have the Galaxy Chromebook here, but then we also have like the other Galaxy laptops. We have, oh yo! Look, and with the S Pen, yo, look at that! And then we got another Galaxy Book here. And then if we take a look at there, there's Katie. And then more Galaxy Books. This is actually kind of crazy. Go on this side. Got some more. We even got the newest ones with the Snapdragon processor and all that good stuff. You even have it set up in the 2-in-1. Ooh, they even have the keyboards, cases, screen protectors. That's actually pretty cool. And this table over here, we got a bunch of the phones lined up. And we even have the trifold on display over there. And then more phones over here. We got even more phones here. We got the Galaxy Watches here. This stuff's actually pretty crazy. Look at that. These are cool. Oh my lord. But these are all live demos, which is really cool. But if we go down here too, they have a ton of Watchmans. Yo, oh, actually, that's kind of crazy. They have like, they have more on this side. Yo, they have a lot of bands here. That's actually kind of cool. A bunch of cases here as well. More watches. And the ring! So we also have this here, which has a display of all the Samsung cases. This is actually pretty cool. It has like a display for every case, so you can actually see, yeah, they're actually real cases. This is actually pretty cool. If we go here, we have some for the A series, we got some for the Zs, and then we got some for the Powers. Yo! That's cool. That's like the same case my trifold came with. Yo! And then if you guys didn't know, fun fact, JBL is owned by Samsung. So we got some JBL stuff here, which is pretty neat. We go on this side, even more JBL stuff. And over here we have a big screen, and then we also have the Galaxy XR over there. That's pretty cool.
This little guy right here.
Oh, bro's got the hairnet. Yeah. Yeah, you have to put it like that.
Okay.
Oh yeah, you like a spa man.
Is it like this?
Yeah, that's perfect. So go ahead and put this on your lap or left hand side. Right here is going to be pretty much your head adjustment level. Dial it down, up and down, just to clear your head. Right over here is going to be your volume control. So this is going to be down volume, up volume. Right here is going to be your home button or Gemini Live. Single press it for home button, and then long press it for Gemini Live.
Okay.
Right here is going to be your pass-through or feeding environment. All you got to do is double tap to select front which one.
Thank you.
Oh yeah. Hi.
You can have fun for like 10 minutes.
Okay, cool. This is.
You after. Oh my gosh, look at your face.
What's wrong with it? Is it good?
It's got like red indents. It was actually pretty cool.
It was. I was watching this black hole video, and then everything went dark, and I was scared, so I turned it off.
But you have to do the me after the galaxy.
Me after the Galaxy XR. Guys, they even have phones that I haven't seen in like ever in person. Like, look, they have like the military-graded Samsung phones, like the X-Cover 7 Pro. Look at this. Like, do you think you could break this?
Yes.
We actually have it for the tablets too. Look at that. Oh, look at that ruggedness. And then look. Wait, the pen's on the. Wait, I didn't even know this. I didn't know the pen's on like the side. Hold on. Is that a pen? Here. Hold this one second. Is this a pen? I don't think it is. Alright. Back you go. Let me know down in the comments below if you know that's a pen or not. Oh, wait. No, I'm dumb. That's a. Wait. Maybe it is the pen. I don't know. Look, this one sells physical buttons. Oh, yeah. I mean, we just have a ring. Oh. Alright, bro. Who invited you?
That's my phone.
Hi, guys. So, right behind me was the Samsung Experience store. It was actually pretty cool. I got to try the XR. Are my eyes still red?
No, they actually cleared up.
Okay, see? So, you know, it's all good. But honest impressions about the Galaxy XR. It was actually a really cool device. It looked really cool. Like, everything looked really clear. It has the micro OLED. So, like, it looked good. It really looked really good. It was really lightweight. It wasn't uncomfortable for, like, the 5-10 minutes I was wearing it. So, that's a really good sign. Maybe we gotta pick it up. But we'll talk about that in a later video. Yeah, guys, this was my first and Katie's first experience at a Samsung Galaxy Experience store. Let me know down in the comments below if you've been to one, how the ones near you look like. That's gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.